May you have more birthdays to come and may you continue to be a loving and God-fearing child, and most of all, you will not change as a good person. Thank you.
Happy birthday. We love you.
It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen.
Responsible always, and tulad ng mga tips and tricks na sinasabi ko sa'yo, talagang mo talaga yun. Pero to sum it all up, I hope na maging happy ka always and be grateful. Ayun, I love you. Happy birthday, Jam.
It's nothing like I've ever experienced.
Happy birthday, Pat.
Happy birthday, Pat. We love you. We love you.
Your future is filled with endless opportunities. Chase your aspirations and embrace every opportunity you get.
Katulad nga ng surname mo, Brillantes, you are a brilliant one. Rather than the diamond, you are a priceless one. Happy 18th birthday, friendship. I love